Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John, and today I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to catch 4-hour supply and demand setups trading gold the manual way on TradingView, and I'm going to show people that are investing a little bit more into this Forex lifestyle how to do it the automatic way. I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. Whilst you're here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit those notifications. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so we are on TradingView at the moment, and this is the manual version of how you can do this. And I gave out this gold buy trade in my Discord group. It was the continuation of the trade that we can actually see in front of us. And what I'm going to be showing you is exactly how you can pick out supply and demand areas very quickly and easily. So when it comes to demand areas, you want to be picking out all of the places where price action has previously broken structure. The same thing for supply. If you're not aware of how to mark out your break of structures, I have a course video that's 30 minutes long and it is in the description below, and I'm sure it will help you out a lot. Right over here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see price action was consolidating. It created a low, and then we saw a break of structure with this candle over here. Now the break of structure was counted from this wick. Those are usually the best areas to count your break of structure, because on a lower time frame this wick is obviously a candle, meaning that price action actually broke towards the upside for a continuation of a buy. You're not too concerned on that first breakout because you want to trade supply or demand, this being a demand area, and you want price action to come back to this level in order for you to find a trade setup. And the rule of thumb when it comes to a demand area is you want to pay attention to the last bearish candle before we had this breakout. So the last bearish candle was actually here, and then we can see the breakout happen there. So we're just going to draw our box, which you can see I've already drawn from the top of this candle here to down here, and that's our demand area. We're going to extend this all the way over to the right, and when we come over here in the market, you can see price action has come all the way back down and touched that box to literally the pip before we saw a rejection. Now let's go down to the 15-minute time frame for entry. Now on the 15-minute time frame, we can see the rejection happened here, but we don't want to enter straight away because we want to see the market change in momentum. So the market did actually buy off of that level. We saw a little pullback over here happening, and then what did we see? We saw the same thing happening like on the 4-hour chart, but this time it was the 15-minute time frame. We saw a break of structure right over here, and this was telling us when this candle closed, we could look for a possible entry in the market. And you can see exactly what happened with price action. Price action happened to buy all the way up to this level here. So your stop loss will always be below the last low that the break of structure did form, and your take profit will of course be all the highs that are showing on the chart, one being over here, another one would have been here, another one would have been over here, and then you've got some more over here, and then you've got of course another one all the way up here. So we can see price action didn't hit the last level, but we did get all of these other take profit levels here, which were the previous highs that the market left before on the left of the chart. Now when it comes over to this supply level, that was NFP Friday. This was a fantastic sell trade. I wasn't around myself. I went to go watch the new Spider-Man movie. I took my son out. You know, not all the time can you trade. Now the rule of thumb when it comes to a supply area is the last buy candle before we saw the sell that broke structure. Our structure level that was broken was right over here, and the reason for that is because this was the last low before this push up, and then the market came back down, and of course you can see it broke it with this candle here. Now we know this is a valid supply level, so what would we be looking for? We'd be looking for our sell trades when the market comes back into this area. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame and find the entry. Now on the 15-minute time frame, as soon as price action came into this area, we can see that there was a low here, and the market never broke that area for a sell entry. We can also see that there was another low that was formed here. We can also see that there was another low that was formed here. The market did actually break this low here right there with this candle, and you could have entered this trade from here with your stop loss above this area with a few pips. And there was two things that could have happened. You could have got stopped out if your stop loss was too tight towards this area, but if you had a bit of breathing room, you would have been fine for this trade. So even if you lost that entry, that was okay. You were still waiting for another setup. So we can see there's a low over here in the market, so you even had an entry right over here. As soon as the market broke right here, again your stop loss would have been at this high here or above this high over here, and you would have been taking price action back down towards any other lows for your take profit levels here. Now we can see what actually happened with the last break of structure, which was this one I've marked out. We had a break of structure right here because the market broke this low right over here, and then there was an entry right on the pullback of this break of structure. You can easily set a sell limit at this area here, so as soon as the market came up to this area, it would have activated a sell for you, and your stop loss would be just above these highs here. And of course this was a winning sell trade on NFP Friday. So guys and girls, I've shown you the manual version of doing it. Let's head over over to MT4. And if you have a little bit more to invest into Forex, which I honestly suggest you do, because this is a $1 trillion industry, and the more you invest, the better it is for you in terms of education or any products that can assist you on this journey. Okay, so here's where the beauty begins. We can see we have the Neo product over here, which is absolutely fantastic. This is going to help you in so many different ways when it comes to trading. One of the ways it's actually helping you is it's telling you that the trend on gold right now is bearish. We can see it here, and that was 21 days ago. So it's pretty much telling you that there is a good chance that gold can continue to sell. So we can already see our buy trade that came up here. Even though the trend was bearish, of course we can always look for pullbacks in the market because you can trade both ways. As soon as price action came into this area here, this area, what we see here, this demand level on the 4-hour chart, was automatically printed for you. So we can see the buy that actually happened here. Now we can also see the sell that happened here. Again, this supply area was automatically printed for you beforehand, and you would have seen that there was a probability of price action selling from this area. So you can understand the automatic way you would have been able to trade this. Let's go down into the 15-minute time frame. Right now we are on the 15-minute time frame for gold, and we are in the strategy tester mode, just so I can show you what it looks like whilst the market was actually moving. And right over here, you can see there's that same 15-minute break of structure that I mentioned if you was doing it the manual way. So obviously automatic will be a lot easier for you. Now, what's fantastic about Neo is you can just press the auto trading button before that breakout actually happened, and the expert advisor would have automatically taken that trade for you and put your stop loss below this last low. So the buy trade we saw, that was absolutely fantastic. The EA would automatically do that for you, saving you so much more time. And for someone like me that actually missed that sell trade setup, I would have just been able to put this on and walk away with my sell trade going into profit whilst I was in the cinema. The only reason I didn't do that with a sell trade is the product is in its last stages and the expert advisor is being coded whilst we are speaking, and that is the last thing that needs to be done with this product. So guys and girls, I've pretty much shown you the manual way of how you can trade these 4-hour supply demands and how to spot them, and I've also shown you the automatic way using the expert advisor, which is Neo. This product is going to be out 100% this month. I'm literally again just waiting for the EA to have all of the extra features and be completed. If you want to get this product, it is 150 GBP to be on the pre-order list, and the price will go up once it does come out this month for lifetime access. This is a limited time offer, and you will also get all of the VIP services, so you're going to feel absolutely comfortable when you do get this product. I'm going to be able to teach you exactly how to use it, and at the same time, all of the trades I take are from this expert advisor / indicator. I hope you liked this video, guys and girls. It was nice, short and sweet, and again, I taught you something as well as showing you a product that you can actually purchase. Thank you very much for your time, guys and girls. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.